Amazing facts about golden poison frog. Welcome to a world of incredibly deadly creatures. Meet the golden poison frog, small yet extraordinarily lethal. Don't be fooled by its vibrant yellow hue. This tiny amphibian carries enough poison to kill 10 grown men. Native to Colombia's Pacific coast, it gets its lethal toxin from a diet of ants, beetles, and mites. Surprisingly, in captivity without this diet, they are completely harmless. A testament to nature's fascinating adaptability. So remember, while beautiful, the golden poison frog is a perfect example of why you shouldn't always trust appearances.